In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat on scheduled Microsoft Teams meetings. This is a highly useful feature for pre-meeting discussions, sharing important links or files, or simply making announcements before everyone joins the live call. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you can confidently use this functionality in your daily workflow. To begin, you'll first need to open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you're in Teams, direct your attention to the navigation bar located on the left side of your screen. Among the various icons representing different sections of Teams, you'll find one that distinctly looks like a calendar. This calendar icon is your central hub for all scheduled meetings, appointments, and events you're involved in. Go ahead and click on this calendar icon. This action will swiftly take you to your personal or team calendar view, displaying a comprehensive list of all upcoming and past meetings you are either organizing or have been invited to, setting the stage for our next step. Now that you're in your calendar view, you'll see a clear display of your scheduled meetings, often presented in a list or grid format. Your task here is to identify the specific meeting for which you intend to start a chat. This could be an important upcoming team sync, a routine one-on-one session, or any other scheduled event you are a participant of. Once you've located the correct meeting entry, instead of simply clicking on it to open its details, which is a common action, we need to access a special context menu. To achieve this, simply right-click directly on the meeting entry in your calendar. A small pop-up menu will instantly appear, offering several options pertinent to that particular meeting. This right-click action is essential for revealing the chat functionality we're looking for. From the context menu that just appeared after your right-click action, you'll observe a selection of different actions you can take. Among these options, you need to locate and click on the one clearly labeled Open Meeting Chat. This is the precise selection we want to make to proceed. Clicking Open Meeting Chat will immediately open a dedicated chat panel or window specifically for that individual meeting. This is a truly fantastic feature because it allows you to communicate with all participants of that meeting without actually having to join the live video or audio call itself. You can utilize this to share pre-meeting agendas, ask clarifying questions, or even send a friendly reminder to attendees before the meeting officially kicks off, ensuring everyone is well prepared and on the same page from the start. Once the meeting chat window is open and active, you'll notice a familiar interface, much like any other chat conversation you might have within Microsoft Teams. At the very bottom of this chat panel, you'll clearly find a text input field. This is the designated area where you can compose your message. Here, you'll type out whatever information, question, or announcement you wish to communicate to the meeting attendees. For instance, you might want to share a document directly relevant to the upcoming discussion, post an external link to a presentation, or simply greet everyone and confirm the meeting's primary purpose. Take a moment to craft a clear, concise, and professional message. Remember, all participants in the meeting will be able to see this chat, so ensure your message is always appropriate and directly relevant to the meeting's context. After you've carefully composed your message within the text input field, the final and crucial step is to send it out to all the meeting participants. To do this, you'll need to locate the Send button. This button is typically represented by an arrow icon, often resembling a paper airplane, or sometimes simply the word Send, usually positioned to the right of your message input field. Once you confidently click this button, your message will instantly appear in the meeting's chat history, making it visible to everyone who has been invited to that particular meeting. Participants will then receive a notification, depending on their individual team settings, informing them that there's a new message in the meeting chat. And just like that, you've successfully started a chat on your scheduled Microsoft Teams meeting, enabling seamless pre-meeting communication. We hope this guide was helpful and makes your team's experience even more productive.